Welcome to Brainworks, where we unravel the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we're diving into the remarkable world of baking soda, the secret to powerful health hacks. You'll be astounded by the myriad ways this common kitchen staple can transform your well-being. From soothing heartburn to enhancing oral health and even aiding in exercise recovery, the magic of baking soda knows no bounds. Join us as we uncover the versatile, cost-effective, and all-natural health hacks that will leave you amazed and eager to incorporate baking soda into your wellness routine. Stay tuned for a journey of discovery and empowerment right here at Brainworks. Baking soda, a common household ingredient, is not just for baking or cleaning. It holds a treasure trove of health benefits that may surprise you. In this article, we'll delve into the powerful health hacks of baking soda and how it can positively impact your well-being. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and affordable remedy that has been used for decades to address a range of health issues. Its mild alkaline properties can help balance your body's pH levels, making it an invaluable addition to your health toolkit. From soothing heartburn and indigestion to aiding in oral health, baking soda offers a plethora of natural and cost-effective solutions to everyday health concerns. It's an excellent antacid that can swiftly neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from discomfort after indulgent meals. Baking soda's uses extend to oral hygiene, where its gentle abrasiveness can brighten your smile by removing surface stains from teeth. Furthermore, it can assist in addressing urinary tract infections, muscle fatigue, allergies, and even insect bites. Its versatility knows no bounds, making it a valuable resource for health-conscious individuals. In the following sections, we will explore these health hacks in detail, offering guidance on how to harness the full potential of baking soda for a healthier, more vibrant life. Stay with us as we unveil the secrets of this unassuming yet powerful health ally. 1. Use of baking soda for alleviating heartburn and indigestion. Are you experiencing the uncomfortable burn of heartburn or struggling with indigestion after a hearty meal? Baking soda might be the solution you've been looking for. Here's how to use this cost-effective, natural remedy to find quick relief. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 4–6 ounces of water. Instructions: measure the baking soda. Start by measuring out 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Ensure that it is food-grade baking soda, as this is safe for consumption. Mix with water. In a glass, add the baking soda and pour 4 to 6 ounces of water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the baking soda dissolves completely. Drink slowly. Sip the baking soda and water mixture slowly. Do not gulp it down all at once. Drinking it too quickly may lead to excessive gas, which can worsen your discomfort. Relief in minutes. Within a few minutes, you should begin to feel relief from heartburn or indigestion. Baking soda works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, reducing the burning sensation and discomfort. Limit usage. It's essential to use this remedy sparingly, as excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to electrolyte imbalances. Avoid using it regularly and consult with a healthcare professional if you frequently suffer from heartburn or indigestion. Note: baking soda is a temporary solution to alleviate symptoms. If you experience heartburn or indigestion frequently, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider to identify any underlying issues and explore long-term solutions. Baking soda can be a simple and effective way to find relief from occasional heartburn or indigestion, making your post-meal experiences more comfortable and enjoyable. 2. Using baking soda for kidney health and urinary tract infections. The alkaline nature of baking soda can be a game-changer for kidney health and relief from urinary tract infections. By helping to balance your body's pH levels, it offers a natural and cost-effective way to reduce the risk of kidney stones and find relief from uncomfortable urinary tract infections. Here's how to use baking soda effectively. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 8 ounces of water. Instructions: measure baking soda. Start by measuring out 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, ensuring that it's food grade for safe consumption. Dissolve in water. In a glass, add the baking soda and pour 8 ounces of water. Stir well until the baking soda dissolves completely. Drink slowly. Consume the solution slowly. Drinking it at a moderate pace allows your body to adjust to the alkaline environment more comfortably. Regular usage. You can use this solution regularly to help maintain balanced pH levels in your body. It may assist in reducing the risk of kidney stones and providing relief from urinary tract infections. Note: while baking soda can be a helpful remedy, it's crucial to use it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional for persistent kidney or urinary tract issues. Additionally, consider lifestyle and dietary changes to further support kidney health. Baking soda's alkaline properties can be a simple and effective addition to your health routine, promoting kidney health and alleviating urinary tract infections. Remember to use it as part of a holistic approach to well-being for the best results. 3. Oral health and teeth whitening. Baking soda is often used as a natural teeth whitening agent and can be effective in removing surface stains from teeth. Its mild abrasive properties can help scrub away stains caused by coffee, tea, red wine, and certain foods, making your teeth appear whiter. Here's how to use baking soda for teeth whitening. Baking soda toothpaste. You can mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Gently brush your teeth with this paste, being careful not to scrub too vigorously, as excessive scrubbing can damage tooth enamel. Baking soda and toothbrush. Another method is to sprinkle a little baking soda directly on your toothbrush, then brush your teeth as you would with regular toothpaste. Baking soda and lemon juice. Some people mix baking soda with lemon juice to create a natural teeth whitening paste. However, be cautious with this method, as the acidity of lemon juice can erode tooth enamel over time. While baking soda can be effective in removing surface stains and making your teeth appear whiter, it's essential to use it in moderation. Overusing baking soda for teeth whitening can lead to enamel erosion, which can be harmful to your dental health. Therefore, it's a good idea to consult with a dentist before using baking soda for teeth whitening, and consider professional teeth whitening options for more lasting and safer results. 4. Skin Brighter Complexion. Baking soda can be used as an exfoliant to help improve the appearance of your skin and even out skin tone, which may result in a brighter complexion. However, it's essential to use it with caution, as baking soda can be abrasive and may not be suitable for all skin types. Here's how to use baking soda for skin exfoliation and potentially achieve a brighter complexion. Baking soda scrub. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Gently apply the paste to your damp skin and massage it in a circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. This exfoliation process can help remove dead skin cells and impurities, giving your skin a fresher look. Patch test. Before applying baking soda to your face, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. Some people with sensitive skin may find baking soda to be too abrasive and may experience irritation. Moisturize. After using baking soda as an exfoliant, be sure to moisturize your skin to maintain its hydration and balance. It's important to note that using baking soda as a skin exfoliant should be done in moderation, and it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have concerns about your skin or want to address specific skin issues, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional who can provide personalized recommendations for achieving your skincare goals safely. 5. Baking soda for foot care and fungal infections. When it comes to foot care and combating fungal infections, baking soda can be a reliable, natural ally. Its antifungal properties can help soothe various foot-related concerns, such as athlete's foot, toenail fungus, and general foot odor. Here's how to harness the power of baking soda for foot care and relief from fungal infections. Ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda, a basin of warm water. Instructions: prepare the solution. Begin by filling a basin with warm water. It should be comfortably warm but not too hot. Add baking soda. Incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda into the warm water. Stir the mixture until the baking soda dissolves. Soak your feet. Submerge your feet in the baking soda and water solution. Allow them to soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently scrub. After soaking, use a soft brush or cloth to gently scrub your feet, paying extra attention to affected areas. This can help remove dead skin cells and aid in the healing process. Dry thoroughly. Once you've finished soaking and scrubbing, thoroughly dry your feet, including between the toes. Repeat as needed. For fungal infections, it may be beneficial to repeat this process daily or as recommended by a healthcare professional. Baking soda helps create an alkaline environment that discourages the growth of fungi and soothes itching and discomfort. Additionally, it can assist in controlling foot odor by neutralizing unpleasant smells. For persistent fungal infections or severe foot conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider. Baking soda can be a valuable part of your foot care routine, working naturally to alleviate common issues and keep your feet feeling fresh and healthy. 6. Natural deodorant and body odor control. Embracing baking soda as a natural deodorant offers a reliable and chemical-free way to maintain body freshness. Creating a simple paste by mixing a small amount of baking soda with water, you can apply this DIY deodorant to your underarms with ease. The result? An effective moisture-absorbing and odor-neutralizing solution that provides you with long-lasting confidence and comfort throughout your day. What makes this approach even more appealing is its cost-effectiveness, as it can save you money while being gentle on your body. Unlike commercial deodorants that may contain potentially harmful ingredients, baking soda allows you to minimize your exposure to chemicals, promoting a healthier lifestyle choice. By adopting baking soda as your natural deodorant, you not only control body odor effectively but also contribute to a greener, more budget-conscious self-care routine. So, why not make the switch today for a healthier and happier you? 7. Exercise recovery and muscle fatigue. Integrating baking soda into your post-workout routine can be a valuable strategy to mitigate muscle fatigue and enhance endurance, potentially optimizing your athletic performance. Scientific studies have shed light on baking soda's role as a buffering agent, capable of counteracting the accumulation of lactic acid in muscles during intense physical exertion. By doing so, baking soda may act as a performance enhancer, effectively delaying the onset of muscle fatigue. In practical terms, this means that incorporating baking soda into your fitness regimen could enable you to exercise at a higher intensity for an extended duration during strenuous workouts. Not only can it contribute to more effective training sessions, but it may also lead to quicker recovery, allowing you to pursue your fitness goals with increased zeal. It's important to emphasize that while baking soda holds promise as an exercise aid, it should be used judiciously and within recommended amounts. If you have specific exercise-related concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to seek guidance from a healthcare professional to ensure that baking soda complements your fitness journey safely and effectively. Thank you for tuning into Baking Soda, the secret to powerful health hacks, here on Brainworks. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the incredible versatility of baking soda and how it can elevate your daily life in numerous ways. If you found these health hacks helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking this video. Sharing is caring, so be sure to pass on this valuable information to your friends and family. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Brainworks, your go-to channel for insightful and practical tips on enhancing your well-being and lifestyle. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest content and health hacks. So, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our growing community. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier life, one brainwork at a time. Thank you for being with us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next Brainworks video.